Hey there, YouTube and DTube. Um, Here is my first vlog of this year. First of all, happy 2021 for everyone. This is PRC, Pedro, or PRC in Cyberland. And I'm here to talk to you about my last weeks, and nothing much have been rolling. So it was Christmas and New Year's Eve and all that, and a lot of family and a lot of friends and things like that. So not much technology-wise or development-wise in this season, right? I am here in this beautiful place. I wanted to share with you. This is a very big dam of my region, and yeah, it's really beautiful. I wanted to vlog to you guys here. So yeah, the most important thing to talk about today is to wish you all a very good 2021. To wish everyone that watches me that hopefully we will have a better year, this 2021. And for all of you that are in cryptocurrencies and blockchain, and which is the most part, I think we are at the start of a very important thing. This year will be amazing, and yeah, I wish you all the best success in your projects in this area. And yeah, my nodes are continuing to run on DTube. This sound development is starting again after this holiday season, and I will keep you guys posted about many things in the near future. So I just wanted to say hi from 2021 to everyone, and let's talk again soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.